The National People's Party Mawhati bloc has officially declared Joplin Sten as its candidate for the upcoming Member of District Council MDC election from the Mawhati constituency. The announcement was made during a meeting at the Nongdri playground attended by key party leaders, including Deputy Chief Minister and State NPP President Sten and others. The party also appointed new office bearers for Mawhati NPP bloc, including members of the National People's Youth Front NPYF and National Women's Front NWPF. In his address, Sten reiterated the party's commitment to victory in the MDC election and outlined several development initiatives for Mawhati, such as improved road infrastructure, the creation of a community and rural development block, and welfare scheme to support the region's progress.